How to build a store with AI in minutes. Quit 9 to 5 boring jobs. Build a $1 million plus e-commerce store with AI. Here's how to build a store with AI in minutes. Here's a preview of what I made using @10web_io. Try it now. https://10web.io/ai-e-commerce-website-builder. Step 1. Create a website. Go to http://10web.io/ai-e-commerce-website-builder. Click on Generate your website. Enter your store name and description. Add 3 products with different categories. Step 2. Finalize the website. Sign up for a free trial. Get your website in seconds. Step 3. Customizations. You can further edit website elements such as web design, colors and text, pages and layout, and much more. Plus, website is optimized for mobile viewing. Step 4. Manage from one dashboard. Add products with WooCommerce. AI generated multiple product descriptions. Manage payments, orders, and inventory all in one. Step 5. Launch. Voila, AI-generated e-commerce store is ready. Save time and money with @10web_io. Today, your AI store is live with easy setup, no dev work, AI assistance. Try it now for free. http://10web.io/ai-e-commerce-website-builder.